Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a QK65 build guide video. Here are the list of items that you will get, and I'll skip the unboxing part which is boring, and let's get into it. First, take out the PCB and install the stabilizer flame gasket strip. The thinner part goes with the bigger hole. Next, we have an outlet stabilizer. They're really great in stock form, and you don't really need too much work in wire balancing and the holy mod as well. So I'll just go with the normal lubing process. After working on the stabilizer, you install the PE foam onto the PCB and install the stabilizers. They also provide a rubber feet to put under the stabilizer wire. Next, you add the poron foam and cut the part where the stabilizer are to fit perfectly. Then we move on to the plate. I chose the polycarbonate plate for this build, and the switch I will use today is a lubed Gateron Oil King. Before installing all the switches, let's hear the stabilizer test. Next, we move on to gasket. They provide two options, jackets and socks. I use socks for more flexibility when typing. Then I will do 2-layer tape mount to this build. After PCB, let's move on to the case. They provide another PE foam and the poron case foam together with the case. Let's disassemble the case. You need to remove 4 screws to separate the stainless steel weight, and then 8 screws to separate the top housing and the bottom housing. After that, you add the PCB onto the top housing and add the PE foam. Then you can assemble all back together. I decided to use the case poron foam that they provided. As a final step, you put the rubber feet to the stainless steel weight to hide all the screws, which is really a nice touch. As a keycap, I chose a GMK Civilization Clone to go all the way budget. Thanks for watching. Before sound test, let's enjoy the cinematic B-roll.